What if I told you that the same habits that make five-star luxury hotels world class could also make your YouTube channel successful, especially if you are a creator over 40 starting or restarting your journey? After spending more than 22 years in luxury hospitality, working with premium brands, premium guests, and leadership teams, I discovered something very interesting. The very habits that create unforgettable guest experiences are the same habits that help build unforgettable audience experiences. And today, I want to share five powerful hospitality habits that can help you grow faster, build deeper trust, and make your YouTube channel feel premium and professional, even if you are starting late. I am Asif Akash, and this is Travel Vista, helping creator 40 and beyond turn real life experiences into digital success. So let's begin. Habit number one: consistency is the new check in. In luxury hotels, consistency is not optional, it is part of the promise. Guest returns because they know what to expect. They trust the welcome, the comfort, the style, and the cleanliness every single time. YouTube audience is the same. If you upload randomly, if your tone changes often, or your content direction keeps shifting, people don't know what to expect from you. But if your upload time, your tone, your value, and your message stay familiar and reliable, your audience feels safe to return. Think of your YouTube channel as your digital property and your posting schedule as your check-in desk. Habit number two: presentation is service. In luxury hospitality, presentation speaks before any words are spoken. The way the bed is made, the shine on the glasses, the uniform, the smile, the scent, everything contribute to the experience. On YouTube, your presentation is your thumbnail, your lighting, your background, your energy, your clothing, and even your introduction. A clean international visual communicates care, clarity, and professionalism even before the viewers passes play. You don't need fancy studio, you only need purposeful presentation. Habit number three: attention to detail build retention. In hotels, guests remember the smallest touches: the handwriting card, the extra pillow, remembering their favorite drink. That is not luck, that is detail management. On YouTube, those details are clean audio, good pacing, clear structure, focused titles, no unnecessary talking, and respecting the viewer's time. Small details keep viewers watching, and watch time is everything. Most new creators chase better equipments, professionals chase better experience. Habit number four: anticipate needs. In luxury hospitality, the real magic is anticipation. The guest does not need to say, I am cold or I need water. The service team notices and solves it before they ask. As a YouTube creator, think the same way. Don't answer just one question, answer the next question they will have after watching your video. If you teach how to start a channel, your next video could be how to overcome fear, or what gear to begin with, or how to script easily. This creates a journey instead of disconnected videos. When people feel guided, they naturally return. Habit number five: service with emotion. Luxury hospitality is not about buildings, it's not about beds, it's not about feeling. People remember how you made them feel. YouTube audiences are the same. Speak with authenticity, share wins and struggles, show your personality, share real stories, talk to them, not at them. When viewers feel understood, they become loyal subscribers. Connection beats perfection every single time. Bonus habits create standards and SOPs. Every five-star hotel runs on systems, not memory. YouTube success become easier when you build small, repeatable process. Create simple checklist, lighting, framing, audio talk points, thumbnails, tags, and upload schedules. System reduce stress and increase creativity. Luxury hotel don't sell rooms, they sell memories and trust. On YouTube, you are not just posting videos, you're designing experiences people want to return to. If this changed how you think about your creator journey, type hashtag creator hospitality in the comments. And don't miss next week episode how to get your first 1,000 subscriber at any age. Subscribe now and start serving your audience like five-star guests. I am Asif Akash and you have been watching Travel Vista, YouTube growth and life success after 40. Thank you for your time. See you in the next one.